Even during the harsh realities of war, life continues in the remote villages of Iran, hidden between dry mountains, rocky hills, and endless dusty roads. Small communities wake up every morning with one goal: survival. Before the sun rises, the village is covered in silence and cold air. Smoke slowly rises from the chimneys of old mud houses while villagers begin preparing for another difficult day. A tired father walks through narrow dirt paths carrying heavy firewood on his shoulders, because without wood, there will be no fire for cooking or warmth. Nearby, an elderly shepherd slowly leads his sheep across the cold hills while the first sunlight touches the mountains. The atmosphere feels peaceful, emotional, and deeply real. Inside the small village homes, mothers wake up early to prepare food for their families. Traditional bread is baked over clay ovens using simple ingredients. Children quietly help by carrying water, feeding animals, cleaning vegetables, or collecting small pieces of wood from nearby fields. Every small task is important, because survival in this village depends on teamwork and hard work. The camera captures realistic details: rough hands covered in flour, boiling tea over open fire, dusty clothes hanging outside, and tired faces still filled with hope. Despite the poverty and struggles, the people continue living with patience and strength. Life in this village depends completely on nature and self-sufficient living. Water must often be collected from distant wells or rivers. Farming on dry land is extremely difficult, yet villagers continue working under the hot sun every single day. Men use traditional tools to grow crops while women take care of the home, prepare food, and support the family in every possible way. There are no modern luxuries here, no advanced hospitals, no large markets, and very little electricity. Roads are damaged and transportation is difficult because of the war. But even with these hardships, people continue their daily routines without giving up. The documentary also focuses on the emotional side of rural life during wartime. Food shortages and uncertainty have become a part of everyday life. Families worry about the future, but they still try to protect their traditions and stay united. Villagers help one another during difficult times. If someone becomes sick, neighbors gather to help. If one family has little food, others share what they can. Elderly men sit together drinking tea and telling stories about the past, while children continue playing on dusty roads without understanding the full reality around them. These simple human moments show the strength of community and the beauty of village life, even during suffering. During the afternoon, the village becomes alive with movement and activity. Shepherds guide their animals through dry valleys while women wash clothes near rivers surrounded by rocks and trees. Children laugh and run through the narrow roads while the sound of wind and animals fills the air. Some villagers travel long distances with donkeys to collect supplies from nearby towns. The environment is harsh, but the connection between people and nature remains strong. Every scene captures the slow rhythm of rural life and the struggle to survive far away from the modern world. As evening approaches, golden sunlight covers the mountains and mud houses, creating a calm and cinematic atmosphere. Villagers slowly return home after a long day of hard work. Fires begin burning inside small homes while families gather together for dinner. The sound of crackling firewood, boiling tea, and soft conversations creates warmth in the middle of poverty and hardship. Outside, the village becomes quiet under a sky full of stars. Cold wind moves through the empty roads while tired villagers rest for the night, preparing to face another difficult day tomorrow. This video presents an authentic and emotional look at life inside a traditional Iranian village during wartime. It highlights survival, resilience, family bonds, hard work, simple living, and the deep connection between humans and nature. More than just a documentary, it is a powerful story about people who continue to live with dignity, hope, and humanity even in the most difficult conditions.